Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Hillsboro, Texas, where we're trying to improve the drainage and waterproofing ability of this storage building. Water is going in on the inside. Everything that they've tried hasn't worked to stop the water from coming out. So our simple solution is to put in a French drain where you can see the gravel at the end of the house and run that French drain out. It's connected to this black hose here, and it's PVC, so we don't have to worry about it crushing. This is a small area, so over here we're not going to have more than a foot and a half worth of dirt on top, so we don't have to worry about it crushing. That's why it's black pipe here at the end versus PVC all the way out. And you can see there's a separate trench behind it, and the separate trench behind it is the numerous downspouts. This building displaces a lot of water, so what we did was we added gutters to it, and there's about 14 gutters, as you can tell on this side. So rather than run all 14 into one pipe, which is a severe mistake, that's why a lot of times people wonder why, after their pipe has been buried, why the water isn't coming out. Well, it's too much water running in one pipe. And number two, they use the wrong connectors. They use a T. So that means that every connection, the water splashing into the other places. You want to use a Y. So the Y will almost treat it like it's an on-ramp. You can see the piece sitting right there. And that Y will allow it to roll in. So what we're doing is, so these multiple pipes are separated. So that's one single line here. It is totally separate from the French drain where the gravel is. And there will be two pipes in this trench. Not just that one right there, there'll be two picking up from the backside, and that'll run all the way down, so none of the water will be interrupted, and that will solve this problem. You see how deep the trench is? So the other separate solution is to dig a deep trench like we're doing, but fill it all up with gravel. What's the difference between the two? Gravel takes longer. We want that water to come out here as fast as possible, so that water doesn't back up against the storage. But normally there's no reason in the world why you couldn't just fill it up with gravel all the way up to the, and then leave the gravel and barely put a small amount of dirt on the very top, no more than about 3 or 4 inches, just enough so it doesn't wash away. That'll solve your problem. So let's walk over and take a look and watch them put on a Y, so you'll know what it looks like. Some people would normally build a burn just like this is and leave most of this dirt, but it's unsightly, and we do not leave an ugly job. So what I would like to do is, when I'm finished, I like to make sure that it looks like we were never there. As you can tell, there's a drain right here that was picking up from our other side, and you can't even tell other than the sprinkle of gravel. That's what this would look like if there was gravel in it. See the Y connector? There you go. And you can see how we're connecting it here. See it? It'll carry, that long pipe will plug into it, and therefore there's no interruption in that pipe running all the way down. All right, so let's finish up.
Hello, thanks for watching. If you like our video, then please subscribe or visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.